Chinese restaurant. Okay, hold on, let me take down the order. First you want what do you want? Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes, that'll be good. Okay, now, are you done with your order? Okay, I'm going to go deliver it now. Your total? I'll tell you your total at the door. I can't do that, guys. Okay, I'll be there. Bye. Now I gotta go order the food. $20.
$20? You sure? I want fried rice for $3.50.
No, it's not. No. Fried rice is $4.
I had the menu to prove it as well. Look, it says on your menu, fried rice is $3.50.
No. We changed it this morning.
I get the feeling you're trying to hustle me.
No. Me don't do that. I don't got money either. Now, it's $4. Just give it like that. As long as it isn't work, give you a code. Now, you need your money for the... Oh no, the total not $20. The total $40.
What are you talking about, $40? I don't want nothing like that.
Because the fortune cookies.
What do you mean the fortune cookies? This was free.
The fortune cookies $1 more.
$1 a piece?
Yeah, for my daughter's surgery.
I don't care about your daughter.
Why you care about my daughter? No, tell me.
Okay. What kind of surgery is she having? Let me see a picture of her. I don't believe you.
She's having knee surgery. She broke her knee and then it won't go back. I don't have a picture. Who cares about pictures of the daughter? She injured. You won't like to look at that. So, yeah, $40.
Take credit card?
No. We only take Visa gift cards.
I don't have any Visa gift cards. What kind of idiot doesn't take a credit card?
Because I have no cash register on me, so I can't do nothing here.
Well, why would you take a Visa gift card?
Because you gotta tell us the amount. I guess so. I don't know. Listen, sometimes Chinese can only take cash. It's $40 or no food. What do you want?
I'll be right back with my cash. Look, man, you better give me my Chinese food.
No. You put that gun away, okay? You put the gun down now.
Are you going to try these my fortune cookies?
Yeah. But no, man. No, you don't get like that. And put your dog inside. Your dog don't belong out here. Hey, you.
Alright, fine. I believe you that the fortune cookies are $1 a pop, but I don't believe there's 20 fortune cookies in there. Let me see. There's not 20 fortune cookies in there.
They're all in the boxes.
Why would you do that?
They're out of the backwards. They're punched in with the fried rice.
You gave me used fortune cookies?
No. They're only half eaten, okay? I wouldn't admit that. But in order...
Do they have fortunes inside of them?
No.
You give me lame fortune cookies then.
They're just cookies.
Forget you. I'm going to go. I have some Jimbo Chow's in the freezer, okay? I'm going to eat your Chinese restaurant. I mean, have some DiGiorno, okay?